Happy Switch 2 launch day, everybody. Look at this. It is 4:30 local time. I'm on the West Coast. It'll be 9 o'clock my time when we can come pick up the Switch. But I'm here at GameStop because I pre-ordered here and I want to come check out, make sure my system is paid off, see if there's anything going on. Let's see what's going on. So the GameStop is so stupid. Even though I have the Switch 2 pre-ordered, I waited in line and did all that and fully paid it off. They're telling me I have to wait in a huge line with people who haven't pre-ordered it and get a ticket to be able to come back at 9 p.m. and pick up my pre-order. Otherwise, I have to pick up my pre-order tomorrow. It's so stupid. So anyways, but they said until 8 o'clock, if you come back before 8 o'clock and get the ticket, then you can come back at 9 and pick it up. So stupid. Anyways, I have this, what I really want to compare is the Oled. This is the Oled Zelda edition. This with the new screen that's LCD and the screen size, because everything is comparing the original Switch. But no, I don't care about that. I have the OLED, which is a bigger screen, a nice screen. I want to really compare that to it. So I'm going to do that tonight. I want to play all the Zeldas again, Tears of the Kingdom, Breath of the Wild, and the Marios, see how it looks in 1080p, 4K, the whole thing. That's what I'm really excited about. Even though I got the Mario Kart bundle, you know, I'm really excited to replay these games. I love replaying Zeldas, especially if it's going to be 4K, 60 FPS. It's going to be insane. Mario, what's that new Mario game called? Mario Odyssey in 4K 60. I want to see all that. It's going to be crazy. So that's what I'm really excited about. But I love this OLED Switch, and I really want to compare the screen. Here to pick up. We got a line all around the corner here. All around the corner. This is a huge launch. Huge launch. It's never been like this. About to open. It's actually past 9, past midnight Eastern on the West Coast. Woo! Groups of 5. First person that bought one. Woo! Nice. That's cool. Woo! Yeah. Finally, it is 10:45 Pacific time, which is what, 10, 11, 12, 1:45 Eastern. This thing went on sale at midnight. Finally got it from GameStop. I am so freaking excited. I can't wait to go home and open this and play the Zeldas. Oh man. All right, here is my first glimpse, first look at the Switch 2. Oh baby. Like I said, I'm going to compare it to the OLED. That's my main comparison. Oh man, this is big. This is big. Now the only thing is when you turn it on, because it has bezels, so it'll be smaller than this. This whole thing won't be the screen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. Let's see what else we got over here. We got the Mario Kart thing, manuals. Here's the HDMI cord. That's ultra high speed for HDR and 120 hertz and 4K and all that stuff. This beauties. What else we got? Charging cable, the plug, the thing you put the controllers in. That's nice. Very nice. And then last but not least, the dock. Wow. Smells like new hardware. Yeah, that's nice. And it's glossy inside. Okay, so let me take these out of the wrappers and we'll get a closer look. You know, the OLED has a bezel too, but you can't really see this bezel. So we'll turn it on, but significantly bigger. Yeah, significantly bigger. And the Joy-Con, you know what? The range of motion on the stick. Let me see. Is it more? No, it is still very similar. I was hoping it'll have more range. Actually, you know what? No, it does. It does have more range. Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, wow. Oh, thank goodness. Because I don't like this thing. You barely move it and then it stops. You know, it doesn't go far enough. Like if you look at the Nintendo 64 joystick, you could go a lot. See, this has much more range. So that's nice. And yeah, so the real thing here is, am I going to be satisfied with how the screen looks, the brightness and all that stuff, you know? So if I turn this on, okay, now let's turn this on for the very first time. Ooh, that is a sharp screen. Yeah, I immediately already can see that the picture is clearer than what it is on the old Switch. Ooh, it sucked it in. The magnet is so nice. Oh, it sucked it in. I don't think the brightness is all the way up, because it is like this one. I have the brightness all the way up, and it's a big difference. It's a big difference in brightness. So we'll find out. I like the music. Okay, let me get through some of this. Okay, I connected to internet. Download updates. Oh yeah, the stand. Oh, it tells me to detach the. Easy peasy. Wow. Yeah, let me see the stand. Ooh, that's smooth. Yeah, that's nice. Later we'll connect to TV, skip. Okay, and it's gonna download the updates. First impression, the screen is dim, but that's because I don't think it has it set to all the way high. But the clarity is better than the original Switch OLED. Okay, I put my Switch OLED on auto brightness because I think that's what this is on right now. And it's very similar. Still a little brighter, but very, very much more similar. So, yeah. This is a significant size upgrade. And I mean that in the best way. Like the screen, this is like you're in an IMAX theater. This was really good, is really good, the OLED, especially compared to the original Switch. It's a big difference, but this even more so. Significant and much clearer. The text is much clearer immediately, I could tell. Just want to do a quick setup. go. Oh man. The red is so deep. The HDR screen, it's already, I could already see a difference. Yeah. Okay, brightness. Let's go to the brightness. Oh yeah, that's bright. Yeah, the OLED is a little brighter, but not by much. The text is clearer on here. Okay, let's put Zelda in. Okay. There's Zelda, Breath of the Wild. Download the update. How long is this going to take? Oh my goodness. Okay, it's going down. I don't have super high, crazy speed internet. Okay, we'll come back to it. Check this out. I just did this. I take this, turn it sideways, and a mouse shows up. And it's so perfect. I'm doing this on a bed sheet, but it still registers. It's so smooth, fast. This is unbelievable. This feels amazing. You look at this and you're like, okay, mouse, but on a system and intuitive, like you just snap it off and you turn it sideways and a mouse shows up and it follows your pattern. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Okay, so I have Tears of the Kingdom here because I don't have 2 copies of Breath of the Wild, just so I could compare it at the same time. Let me turn the sound off on this. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know what? This is blurry. I didn't connect my online account to download. The update that it downloaded is just the regular Switch update that they recently did. This is not. I have to connect my online account to get that free Switch 2 upgrade on top of this. This looks good though. It looks good on this screen. Okay, here, I get it close. You see the pixels? Okay, now I'm gonna do the update. I'm gonna do the update and then we'll see what it looks like. So I'm downloading the free update since I have online expansion pass for Zelda Breath of the Wild, and it's 10.5 gigabytes. That's big. That's very big. All right, it has been downloaded. Now let's see. Oh yeah. It's not pixelated, as pixelated as it was before. All right, come on, get up. Can't wait to experience these games again. Oh yeah, that's so much more smoother. That's unbelievable. I don't notice like a HDR difference. Wow. That is smooth. Hold on, let me turn it. Now let's get close so you can see. See, there's no pixels like it was before that I showed you. I'm gonna do the update and then we'll see what it looks like. Wow. Okay. Here comes the money shot. That's beautiful. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. the screen size really makes this like playing the console on a TV. You know what I mean? Like, gives me that feeling that I'm fully immersed. Like there's enough real estate here for your eyes to just be completely pulled into the game, as if you were docking this and playing it on a TV. This is it. This is unbelievable. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. And look, I'll get close. Hold on, my camera. It's not pixely the way the other one was, you know? I can't wait to experience this adventure all over again. Even though I'm a bigger classic Zelda fan, this grew on me, you know? All right. Okay, I need to get some one-on-one time with this myself. All right, I downloaded GameCube. Oh yeah. Gonna play some Wind Waker. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh wow. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. It's bright, it's colorful, it's smooth. Wow. Okay, let me get through the intro and then let's see. Oh, that music. Wow, this looks so nice. The colors pop so much in person. Wow. This is beautiful. Well, I'm going to be playing Mario Kart also. It's going to take some time to download. But I'm going to end my Switch 2 launch day here. Thank you for joining me. And if you got one, congrats. This is awesome. And until next time.